Hi guys, so today we're gonna be reviewing this amazing lock. I just finished installing this digital lock. This lock is amazing. It was easy to install. Only took me like 10-15 minutes. I didn't have to undo any holes, any new holes. You see the pad is nice and smooth. It lights up. You see these little cards here. This lock has 3 different ways to get in, 4 different ways. Fingerprint has a card. You can do a PIN number and then you get your key. It's very convenient. One that it was a big brand and it didn't have any of those features, just the one with the PIN, that's it. This one has an app that you can control this lock with your phone. You can open it remotely, you can lock it remotely, you can change the PIN number, you can do all kinds of things. Setting up the IDs for your fingerprints, it was amazingly easy. I got all my family's fingerprints. You can hold up to 99 or 100 different fingerprints, so it's great for your business if you have a business. The card, you only get 2 of them, but they work amazing. This is how they look like. I already have it on my keys. All you do is just put them here, and that's how fast it is. So me and my wife had one because we are the main, and then my kids had the fingerprints, so whenever they come from school or anything, you can set up for it locks automatically 5 seconds, 10 seconds, up to 30 seconds a minute, and there's an option that you can just let it stay open once you turn it on. Fingerprint is super fast, so it takes like less than 2 seconds to open, and then I have it for 10 seconds to close, so in 10 seconds we'll say locked. But you can see it's really nice. You see it works super great. Like I had a $300 one and I got this one, and this is so much better than the other one. Easy installation. I definitely recommend it, so go ahead and go get one, and thank you for watching. This is how it looks on the inside. You get the handle lock, and once you lock it, 10 seconds will lock by itself. So definitely recommend it. You do take 8 AA batteries, so just so you know.